In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini to make slides. By the end, you'll be comfortable using Gemini to generate a clean, professional 10-slide presentation about the introduction to artificial intelligence, with clear titles, short bullet points, and simple explanations. First, open your Gemini account. Head to the Gemini website in your browser and sign in with your Google credentials. If it's your first time, you'll be guided through a quick setup. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection, and once you're in, you'll see a chat-style box where you can type instructions. That box is where all the magic happens. Keep the window open and ready, because we'll paste our prompt there in a moment. Next, enter your prompts. Gemini works best when your instructions are specific, concise, and goal-oriented. For this project, copy and paste the following prompt into the chat box exactly as written, so the model understands your structure and design preferences. Create a professional slide presentation about Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Include 10 slides with clear titles, short bullet points, and simple explanations. Slides should include definition of AI, history of AI, types of AI, real-world uses, benefits, risks, and future of AI. Use a modern design with icons and minimal text. This wording tells Gemini the topic, the number of slides, the sections to cover, and the visual style. The mention of modern design and minimal text helps it favor clean layouts. Including icons signals a contemporary look. While Gemini may not insert graphics directly, it will suggest where icons or visuals fit best. Now, wait patiently while it generates your prompts. You'll see a thinking indicator as Gemini assembles the slide-by-slide content. This can take a moment, especially with structured requests. When it finishes, you should receive a neatly organized set of 10 slide titles followed by short bullet points and straightforward explanations. Expect to see the definition and history of AI up front, then types of AI, real-world applications, the benefits and risks, and a forward-looking slide about the future. Because you asked for minimal text, the bullets should be concise and scannable, making them easy to drop into your preferred presentation tool later. That's it. You opened Gemini, entered a precise, well-scoped prompt, and waited for the model to deliver. Use clear wording like this whenever you need fast, consistent slide content. If you ever want a different tone or more detail, adjust the phrasing in the same chat and let Gemini regenerate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating polished slides with confidence.